Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create tables in your Figma instantly. First, right-click anywhere on your workspace and navigate to the plugin section. If you already have the Table Creator plugin installed, you'll see it here. If you don't have the plugin, go to the Manage Plugins. In the search bar, type Table Creator. Once you find it, install the plugin by clicking on the Save. Now, click on X. Now right-click, go to Plugins, and select Table Creator. Click on the Create Table. After that, just click on Next, and the Next again, and the Next again. And then finally, click on New Template. Now, you can manually set the number of columns and rows or select the size visually. After that, click on the Create Table. To change the color, you have to select the table, click on the Fill option and choose your preferred color. Adjust the shade as needed. And then that's how you create tables in your Figma instantly. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.